Hey people, I thought I would discuss a very important topic in guitar playing, and that's strumming. A lot of people take it for granted. They don't do a lot of practice doing it. I mean, I've been guilty of that in the past, but many years ago I woke up to the fact that I sucked at strumming, so you have to practice it. And it also forces you to get your chords together, because in order to stay consistently in beat, both hands have to work together. So let's see if I can give you a few examples of strumming. I just have some notes over here. If you wonder why I keep peeking over here. Alright, so let's pick some easy chords that most of us know. We're going to start off with C and A minor. Okay, so let's take it nice and slow. The rhythm is going to be bum, 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 etc. So what does that translate to? It's going to be now let's go back and forth between C and A minor. Okay, so that's your first example. Okay, here's another example, again based on C to A minor. And that's going to be bum, 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 etc. Now take it slow. It's kind of syncopated, but you'll get the idea. So C. Okay, so there you have C to A minor using that syncopated rhythm. Now let's try one that's repetitious, but nonetheless is used in a lot of songs. Again, we're going to go C to A minor. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, bum, 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 etc., etc., etc. So here we go. 4. Okay, now this one revolves around triplets. Okay, so it'll be something like bum, 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 bum. Again, we'll use C to A minor. So here we go. 4. Okay, now we'll mix it up a little bit and let's go to G, C, and D. So we'll start off with your G. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. play your chords exactly the way I do, that's not the important thing here. The important thing for this lesson is consistency in strumming. Okay. So here we go back to C and A minor, and it's going to be a mixture of quarter notes and triplets. So it's going to be bam, da ga da bam, da ga da bam, da ga da bam. Okay, so slow, here we go. Okay, now here's one that's going to go between A minor and G. Okay, it's going to be a combination of quarter notes and eighth notes. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go from G to D. Again, actually the G to D one, rhythm-wise, is exactly the opposite of the one we just did. The one we just did is bam, 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 bam. Now we're going to go bam, 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 bam. Okay, so we're going to go from G to D. 3, 4. Okay, so there you have, I think it's 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 different patterns of rhythm, which you will find in many songs. And nobody says that you have to do it with the same chords that I used. For instance, the first one, which was bum, da da dam, da da dam, we did C to A minor. You could pick A minor to E. Okay, so A minor. Okay, the second one was the bum, da dam, 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 da dam, dam. We can go from G to E minor. If you want to get more complicated, you can go from G, E minor, C, D, and that'll sound like this. Okay, and the next one, which was in triplets, we went from C to A minor. Oh no, sorry, the next one was C to A minor, but it was all eighth notes, or constant equal strumming. But you can pick a different set of chords. Instead of C to A minor, this is just a for instance, you can go G to C. fourth one was the triplets, which was C to A minor, but you can do something like E to A, where you could go 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one was G, C, D, where we were going. Now let's choose a different one. We can go from, let's say, A to D to E. The rhythm would be. Okay, and our sixth one was a combination of single strums and triplets. It was C and A minor. So let's say we stick with E and A instead of C and A minor. You could do this. Seventh one was single strums followed by doubled up strums, like eighth notes. So instead of doing A minor to G, we can go D to C. So that would be like this. So 3, 4. Okay, and the last one, which was the reversed of the one we just did, you can go, okay, not only will we reverse the rhythmic pattern, we'll reverse the chords. Before we went D to C, now we're going to go C to D. So it'll be like this, 3, 4. Okay, so once again, forget about whether I'm playing the chords exactly the same way that you do. That's not the important part here. As far as the fingering goes, what's important is consistency, and once you establish a rhythm, keep at it. And once you get your stuff together between your right and your left hand, it doesn't hurt to set up a metronome so you get that tick, 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 tick. Because if you ever play with other people, you can't play to your own metronome. You got to play to the common metronome. Hope this helps. Have a good one.